Hi guys, today we will be looking at open syllables. Now this is the sign for open syllable. Open. Now what is an open syllable? An open syllable ends in a vowel. It has a long vowel sound. For example, look at this word, ego. E-go. So we can hear two syllables, and it has two open syllables, E and go, which ends with and O. So E, long vowel E, go, ends with the long vowel sound O. Now, let's look at some more examples. Silent. Silent. Now, in this word, you hear sigh. Open syllable ends with and I. Silent. Let's look at some more examples. Bacon. Bacon. Frozen. Frozen. Open. Open. Hello. Hello. Station. Station. Uniform. Uniform. Beloved. Beloved. Stolen. Stolen. Reproduce. Reproduce. Museum. Museum. Legally. Legally. Concentration. Concentration. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, when you know these open syllables, it will help you with reading, sounding out words, and also help with your spelling. And please don't forget, for more reading videos, you can look in the description below. You will also find videos related to grammar. And please don't forget that our decodable readers are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!